Well, to swing the ball into the batsman, you need to grip the ball in this way. Well, to swing the ball into the batsman, what you need to do is you need to concentrate on the middle finger, which plays the key role in directing the position of the seam towards the leg slip region. Therefore, the middle finger should be rested on the edge of the right part of the seam with some firmly should be rested when you compare it with a index finger like this. You can see my middle finger is clearly resting on the edge of the right part of the seam firmly, okay, and the index finger is clearly resting softly on the left leather part of the seam, okay.
Now, in this video, you can see very clearly how the supporting finger index is partly separated from the middle finger and rested softly on the left leather part of the seam. Whereas the middle finger, which plays the major role in directing the position of seam towards the batsman or leg slip region, will be rested firmly on the edge of the right seamy part of the ball. Well, when the ball is new and hard, to swing the ball into the batsman, or you can say to curve the ball into the batsman, the direction of position of the seam has to be towards the batsman or leg slip region. So now here, majorly with the help of middle finger and also with the support of index finger, you can see how the direction of position of the seam is made to face towards the batsman or leg slip region, which actually becomes the key in helping the moving ball to curve into the batsman in the air before or after hitting the pitch. Well, if you really want to become a genuine swing bowler, then I would suggest you to go with high arm bowling action rather than going with round arm action. So now for a high arm bowling action, the arm has to be raised nearly at an angle of 90 degrees or should be nearly perpendicular with respect to horizontal shoulder level position. And finally, the wrist has to be cocked for the perfect release of the ball with the seam facing towards the batsman or leg slip region.